Dyson vacuum cleaner model V7 to LA.
Which one has a battery failure?
In this case,
Tyson sent us a spare battery in.
warranty. After receiving the battery, we will see where the screws are. Here's one of them, and the other two go one here. And the other one here. We proceed to remove them. They are star screws or Phillips screws. These here are a little more complicated because they are hidden, but, well, in the end it does come right, and we proceed to remove the battery, which comes out pretty easy. Once removed, we do the reverse order. We put the new one in and screw all three screws. We checked, so everything was going well, and we left it loaded ready to use.
If you liked the video, I encourage you to give me the one I like to subscribe to and watch my other channel content. Greetings and see you in the next video.